This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for child abduction. The Durham Police Department is searching for ANDRAKE ZACHARIAH PAULK. ANDRAKE PAULK is a 9-year-old black male, approximately 4 feet tall, weighing 65 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. ANDRAKE PAULK was last seen wearing a white t-shirt and dark-colored pants. The abductor, TADAISA Georgia Ann PAULK, is described as an 18-year-old black female, approximately 5 feet, 7 inches tall, weighing 235 pounds. She has long braided orange and blonde hair. TADAISA PAULK was last seen wearing an orange sweater. They were last seen traveling northbound on Lawndale Avenue in Durham, North Carolina in a white 2020 Nissan ALTIMA with North Carolina registration of HJK3628. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Durham Police Department immediately at 919-560-4600 or call 911. This is an Amber Alert.